We moved to this country in 1980. Like most people think that all you can do as a Hispanic is to work on the landscape or in the car wash. So everybody who was around me told me that. But I didn't believe. I find a job working as a delivery driver for a movie industry company. I make a lot of deliveries to the movie studios, and you see a lot of those stars. But, I mean, come on. We're not Bohope. We have to find something else.
I used to be a housekeeper, a living housekeeper. I was working about 6 days a week, from 6 in the morning until 10. There was no other option for me. I knew that I was not going to die doing that, though. When you realize that you only help a family in a couple of hours, I would replace everything I would make in a week, in a couple of hours. So I realized that I was losing money by going to work.
I always was telling Sandy that we have to buy a business. We have to be independent, always. But, of course, money is the issue. Most people have that good idea to be independent. But it's the money.